Discord account lost without email. So here's what you can do if your Discord email has been lost and if you don't have your email. So first you need to launch your Discord app or open the Discord site in your browser. On the sign-in screen, you'll see the usual login options. If you remember your phone number and it was previously added to your account, try signing it with that instead of your email. If your phone number isn't connected or that it doesn't work, go ahead and tap on forget your password. Discord will normally send a reset link to your email address, but since you don't have access to that inbox anymore, here's what you can try next. Head to the email service that was linked to your Discord, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or another provider, and see if you can recover that email account. Most services have their own password recovery tools. If you are able to get back into your email, return to Discord and request a password reset again. Still logged out? Then no problem. The best solution now is to contact Discord support directly. Open your web browser and search for support.discord.com. Once the page loads, tap the menu icon, usually the three lines which will be in the top right corner. I'll go with the three dots which will be in the top right and turn off the desktop side, and then go with the three horizontal lines which will be in the top right. And select submit a request. On that form that appears, choose help and support from the drop down menu. Before using submit a request section, you need to first log into your account. So make sure that you've logged in to your account or any other account that you have, not just the particular account that you are trying to log in, but you can just simply go with any other account and then go with submit a request, and you will get a submit a request page. You need to fill in the fields. In the mailbox, you need to enter your email you previously used for the account, even if you can't get into it. Under subject, you need to write something short like account recovery help. And in the description section, you need to clearly explain your situation. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and hit the submit at the bottom of the page. After submitting your request, keep an eye on any backup email accounts or ways the support team might reach out. They may ask you for a bit more information to verify your identity before helping you get your account back. And just like that, you've taken all the right steps to recover your Discord account without needing access to your old email. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.